hot in here. Wish my husband wasn't on that African safari. And I wish the TV repairman would come soon. Hello?
It's the door.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hi.
What's going on?
My TV's broken.
Oh, yeah?
Why don't you come in?
Where's it at?
It's over there.
Looks alright from the front.
Try looking at it from behind.
See the problem. It's not plugged in. You got a phone I can call this in at?
Over there.
Yeah.
Listen. I didn't call you because of a broken TV. I called you because of a broken heart. Ow.
I'm good at fixing broken TVs. But not broken hearts.
Maybe you can give me some advice?
Yeah. It always works better plugged in. Remember what I said.
Hi? My fridge is broken? Thanks.
Yeah.